shipwreck was just found in the middle of the Sahara Desert, and when archaeologists went to explore it, they found a chamber to a different world which should not exist. Just a few days ago, a group of archaeologists were traveling through the desert looking for some amazing things with their ground-penetrating radar. They ended up coming across a buried ancient Greek temple in the middle of the desert. Moments later, not too far from the structure, they saw an enormous shipwreck, which immediately got them thinking, how did it get here? It was in decent condition, so the team began exploring it. This is when they stumbled across a hatch in the lower deck of the vessel. They opened it and saw a giant ladder like never before, leading them very deep down. After many minutes of climbing, they found themselves to be in a cave with an enormous ancient door. After they finally got the door to open, the group saw something impossible. They were standing in front of an ancient observatory, surrounded by maps, stars, and planets. The group was in shock, and just moments later, they stumbled upon a chamber which the men debated getting inside. Eventually, one of the men got in and the other shut the chamber. He then reported that he was taken to a different planet surrounded by nature and species like nothing on Earth. Strangely, after getting out, he said that it felt very real. And this is when the group saw a scratch on his arm that was not there before. The archaeologist explained that in this other world he was in a forest and he had scratched his arm with something. This is when they realized that this world actually exists somewhere out there, and what happens to us in the chamber also affects our real bodies. After this incident, the government arrived and completely restricted the area. One of the scientists has spoken out and revealed what they discovered about this other world. Comment for part 3.